How to fix no internet connection in CapCut video editor. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you getting the annoying no internet connection error in CapCut? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick fixes to get things working again. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet is working. Try opening a web page or streaming a video to confirm your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. If the internet is fine, but CapCut still shows the error, try clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then go to Apps, then tap on CapCut and clear the storage. On iOS, reinstalling the app can do the trick. Next, make sure you are using the latest version of CapCut. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Sometimes, CapCut servers might have issues with certain networks. Try using a VPN, or if you already have one, turn it off and see if the issue resolves. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the no internet connection issue in CapCut. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.